So we're going to talk about fonts today. So fonts, you use them everywhere. We're talking in web pages, you're talking in business documents, or even just personal documents. Now, you can go really, really fancy, or you can stay with, the basic plain ones like Arial, or we can go Times New Roman. Those are your basic Windows fonts. But to get something fancy and to make it look really cool, if you're building a web page or you're doing a document or maybe invitations or anything like that, you want to get a nice font. Now, this is a free website and they're for non-commercial use, so they're for personal use, which is fine. But it's called 1001 Free Fonts. I'll put a link below. Now, they have some really cool fonts that people have made. And right here is your today's featured fonts. And I'm really liking this Art Brewery one, even the From Cartoon one, but we won't go there. The Art Brewery one, really cool. So how we do this is you go onto the web page, find the font that you really like. There'll be a download button next to it right here, which is your download. Click on it, and it downloads it as a zip file, as you can see down here. Now, what you need to do is if it's not here, it'll be up in your downloads or wherever you download things to. So go to that folder, and you want to open the zip file. So from here, I go here and I go open. Now, what that'll do is there'll be a few files in there, and we're looking for one that has TTF on the end of it. Now, that means it's a font file. And what you can do for Windows 10 users, you just double click on it. It gives you a really quick overlay of what the font looks like, which is quite cool. And you've got this really nice install button here. So if we go install, it says installing fonts, and that's it. That's how easy it is. So now if we go to Word, and we go and grab our font, which was Art Brewery, as you can see, chucked it straight in there. Now, if I get you a big font size, it starts writing in that font. How cool is that? So have a look, grab a font that you really like and give it a try. It is really cool for invitations. You can get the nice real swoopy ones. You can get the old Batman movie ones as well. Anything that you like is on that free font site. Might not be the original, but it might be a lookalike of it as well, which is quite cool. And that's it. That's fonts. So go out there, grab heaps of fonts and give them a try. They're really, really good.